Now let's go ahead and learn how to focus with manual focus. So let's go to the lens again, and we're gonna find the switch with AF and MF. Let's go ahead and switch our lens to MF, which stands for manual focus. Now, anytime you hear the word manual on your camera, it means that you are doing the work. The camera is no longer doing it for you. So we're gonna go ahead and focus with manual focus. Now, this part might be a little bit hard to see because we're gonna start with our viewfinder. Now, similar to your autofocus, you can still use your magnify options here to manually select an area of the photo that you want to be in focus. So if I want my left mannequin to be in focus, I'm gonna go ahead and still select a focus point. Okay. From here though, I would look through my viewfinder and I'm gonna do two things at the same time. I'm gonna hold down my shutter button halfway. Now, if I do that right now, you're gonna notice that you don't hear anything, the lens is not moving, and there's no beeping happening. And that's because we're using manual focus now. But if I do hold it halfway, while I turn my focus ring, I will get that beep when I'm in focus. So let me try to show you with this direction. Okay, with my right hand, I'm gonna hold down my shutter button halfway. I'm gonna look through my viewfinder, and at the same time, I'm gonna use my left hand to turn my focus ring. And I'm gonna notice that things are gonna look sharper, but I will also hear that beep once I'm in focus. But I'm making sure that I'm holding down my shutter button while I do that. Halfway, slowly move your focus ring. Once it beeps, all the way down. Okay, now let's say that you want to use your screen. Let's go back into our live view. And very similar to what we did in autofocus, we're gonna move around our focus box using your cross keys. So if I wanna focus on this mannequin, then I wanna make sure that the box is there. Wherever you want focus, move the box. From here, we are going to magnify that area. Because I'm choosing the mannequin that is farthest away, it's really hard right now to see as I turn my focus ring if it's really, really sharp. I can see it getting sharper or blurrier, but I can't really tell if it's perfectly in focus. So I'm going to magnify once or maybe even twice so I can see it really well. And then I'm just taking my hand to the front of the camera, moving my focus ring. And look at the difference. Once it looks very sharp as you can get it, that's when you can go ahead and take your picture. Now your camera is not gonna beep at you. So holding down your shutter button halfway is not gonna do anything for you while in live view. But once you're ready, take a photo, and that's how you use manual focus.